Hi guys, Kathy here with Buffalo Chick Chicks. Alright, so I got a couple of ideas for Valentine's crafts. I bought these two wood hearts. I already went ahead and painted one red. Now I'm not sure if I want to add, I was thinking of maybe adding, buttons to it. I could add like red buttons to the brown one. And then I found this package. I thought they were really cute. These little wood hearts with the little hole in them, and I was thinking I really don't want to paint all those, so maybe I'll leave them natural wood and glue them on the red heart, and then maybe put the red buttons on the plain wood one. I don't know. I'm going to mess around with it and see what I come up with. So I also have an idea with these cones that I have. I'm not sure if they were from Hobby Lobby or Walmart. Maybe Dollar Tree. I don't know, but I also have two of those. I'm thinking of making Valentine's little tree out of it. And I bought these, two packages of these. These are a lot smaller packages than what I'm used to seeing from Dollar Tree. But I got two of those, so I'm not sure if I want to glue them on the tree or if I want to put the felt. I bought a red felt. I don't know if it's a square, but there's a lot on there. Felt roll. So I might cover the tree in felt, and maybe add some of these little base fillers on it. Not sure yet. And I also have this trim that was really pretty. I'm thinking maybe I can wrap that around the tree, but I'm not sure if I have enough. 3 yards, I'm not sure. So I have a couple ideas going on in my head right now, so let me get my creative cap on and see what I come up with. All right, everyone, so this is what I came up with so far. Valentine tree. And then this is one of the wood hearts I painted and added some of those neutral hearts, but I ended up painting them pink and white with the red background. And then this one with the buttons. I painted the back pink and the sides pink. So I have one more cone tree. I didn't measure anything, I just cut a piece of felt and I added the tacky glue around it on the cone. And then I'm just gonna trim it off later. I just trimmed the end of that one just close, and then the top here, I trimmed it close and then just folded it in like this. I'd trim it more. And then I added these little base fillers and a little heart that I had on the top. But I'm not done yet. Stay tuned. All right, guys, this is the reveal. This is how the two wood hearts came out. I think they're cute, and the foam trees. I got these ribbon, pom-pom ribbon and the heart ribbon at, I don't know if it's ribbon or trim at Dollar Tree. And what I did, I didn't glue it on. I just put push pins to tack them on. I decorated the top with those little vase fillers. And I did this one an opposite pattern of the other one. So that's it for a simple Valentine crafts. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.